Hey everyone, it's Tiff Tinney. Thank you for tuning in. If you're here, I assume that you're looking into the Done For You services and would like to learn more about it before you make a decision to join. So, if you are on the fence, or if you're a little about it, I just wanted to provide you with my experience on what I think about the program and how it has helped me. So, the Done For You Services is a program under Wesley Virgin and Ariella Iorio, his partner. Now, Wesley Virgin is, if you don't know, a multimillionaire. He is an online marketer and a guru in this area, and he also has personal development products that he offers, and as part of those products, the Done For You services is part of that, where you can, while you're investing your time and interest in developing your mindset, you can also make money online. And Wesley and Ariella really saw a need in this sector because, there's so many people out there like me, and I think this is probably the reason why I really vouch for the program and the service, was because there's so many people out there who want to make money online, want to kind of venture into the online business and things like that. I've actually taken steps in the past, with opening an online business, starting a domain and all of that stuff, and it not going anywhere, me not even following through, because it just got so cumbersome in my mind. I got overwhelmed, and I couldn't focus, basically. And like I said, Wesley Virgin really saw a need in this sector where there's a lot of people like this, where they just stop following through because they just don't really have the support and they don't really know what to do. So there's videos out there on YouTube. I've tried them, and it's just not super helpful because you're alone in this, and there's really no one there to help you, in person or even virtually or whatever. So the Done For You services, I joined back in maybe end of May, where I felt compelled to see what it was all about. It's not a cheap service, but you get your money's worth. But it's a service that they hook it up all for you. They create a landing page for you, and they show you how to sell products online. Now, granted, the product is Wesley Virgin's product, but they show you the entire process. They do it for you. So basically, let me just go through the steps and how it's done. So you sign up for the program, you pay for it. The cost is $1,000, and guys, honestly, my opinion is you make that money back. If you put the work into it, you make that money back, so it doesn't matter. If you have that type of money to spend, this is something that you should invest in, because they help you make your first online sale. And it's even for skeptics who think that it's not possible to make online sales easily. So having said that, you sign up for the program, and after you sign up, someone contacts you. They introduce you to the portal. So there's a Done For You services portal that you gain access to. You sign in, and they show you the different steps that are involved with getting everything set up, from your landing page, a domain, your landing page, creating an ad campaign and all of that stuff, so you can start getting sales. They have different services they offer. You can do it with Facebook, or you can do it with YouTube, or you can do it with both. Because of the quarantine and everything like that, they started venturing out into YouTube ads, because Facebook ads kept getting shut down. So, but now it's so much better, and that was because of the quarantine and everything. They were just like, shutting down everything, because people weren't actually analyzing it, and it was just like the machines that were trying to, that were detecting like ads based on certain keywords or whatever. So that was an issue because of the quarantine, but it's gotten so much better now with less of that people are actually going back to Facebook. But I started with YouTube. I actually like YouTube, so I stuck with that. But basically they schedule you with a developer, but that first initial call, they tell you you need to complete, I think, like steps 1 through 4 or 1 through 3, which is to create a domain, fill out forms, give them, your access information, credentials, so when they're ready to start setting up everything up, they can enter your pages and create your landing page and everything like that. So they give you that direction, and then they schedule a developer to meet with you, which is by call, and it's a one-on-one session with a developer that is usually scheduled about a week out, to give you time to complete your steps, your initial steps. And then you have this call with the developer. They call you, and then you jump on the computer with them. You give them access to your computer view, and they do take care of everything. So they create if you're doing it with Facebook, they create your fan page. If you're doing it with YouTube, they create your YouTube page. They create your Google ad campaign. They create the entire ad. They create the keywords. Like, they set it all up and get it activated. The only thing that you also need to know is that with any type of ads in general, if you're running an ad, it's going to cost you money. So on top of this program, you have to have some money for ads as well. These ads pay for impressions to be sent to people, impressed on people. So for example, when you go to YouTube and you are looking to click on a video and then another ad comes, that's what happens. It's these are people's ads, and this is the type of ad that you're running, right? So they typically recommend, about $20 per day at least to set for your ad campaign, which is a bit much for me. And I set it at $20 per day just to see how it went. But honestly, after I think it was 4 or 5 days that passed, I'm like, goodness gracious, I spent about $100 and I haven't gotten a sale yet. So I started thinking oh, what's going on? Is this ad working? So not to mention, when you join Done For You Services, they you are enrolled in this private Facebook group of like-minded individuals, the people who are members of Done For You Services. And they are such a strong support group because you have this group that has administrators who are constantly looking at the questions and comments on the page, and then you have the members who are posting their success, and there are people that are in different levels of knowledge. So you can just easily post a question like, hey guys, I'm having an issue, anyone's had this issue? A member may get back to you, an administrator will get back to you, definitely, but members are known to just, hey, try this, we're all in it together, and they are so supportive. It's amazing. So, you always feel that support, even if you're questioning things. So, I didn't get a sales off of the $20, and, at some point I was just like, all right, this is too much. I can't spend $20 a day. I just don't have it like that right now. We're just going to go with $5. So I pushed it down to $5, and 3 days after that, I got a sale. I made almost, I think my first sale was $47 and something cents. And it was such an amazing feeling because you're like, whoa, when I say I got a sale I didn't realize I got a sale because I didn't actually set up my auto notifications, like notifications for selling. So, you know, one day I just like went in and I'm like, let me see what's going on. And I went in and I had gotten the sale the day before and I didn't even know. So it happens, and you know, it's just proof that you can make money without putting much effort into it. Now, you're probably asking, okay, then what? What happens after that? Like, you make your first sale, great, but you still don't know how to do it yourself. This portal that you have access to shows you step by step how to do it, how to create your ads, how to do it, how to send ads through Facebook, how to do it through YouTube, and all of that stuff. So it's been, you know, you can take it from there and start learning on your own, and then you can lean on your support group on the Facebook page, private group, to ask questions and just take advantage of the people who are trying to do the same thing. And it's people of different levels. There's beginners there's newbies, there's intermediate, there's advanced people who are making money. So you really want to learn off of them, and they are so happy to help because they understand that we are all in it to win it, number one, and number two, there's no shortage of money in this universe, so there's enough for everybody. So, you know, we're all willing to share the wealth, which is what I'm doing now. So my opinion is Done For You Services is working for me. It was definitely an investment that I would hands down do it again if the opportunity presented itself, because in addition to that, guys, the portal that you have access to also has the weekly Zoom videos that Wesley and Ariella have. They host each week Zoom videos that range between 4 and 5 hours long. Well, 3.5 to 5 hours long. What personal development mentor do you know will devote this amount of time to you? Live Zoom meetings to show you how to create your pages. They have their developers join and answer any questions. They go through the ads, how to do it, successful keywords, things that they have learned, just things to help. And then after that, Wesley joins and he does a live guided meditation. Meditations are powerful, by the way, but that's another video. So having said that, you have this access. It's not just one and done. It's, you know, they guide you, they set it up for you so you get your first sale. After your first sale, they continue to provide guidance to you, answer questions, and support you and hone in on also keeping your mind, reconditioning it, you know, and getting it set for your excelled wealth, and getting yourself ready to receive an abundance of wealth. So I hope this review was helpful. If you did get value from this, please click the like button. Thank you very much. But in addition to that, most importantly, I really recommend that you join the Done For You services. It's by far the best services program. It works for me, and I have zero regrets about it. So the link to the Done For You services is below. After you review the video, you're welcome to leave any comments, questions that you may have for me based on the video that you are seeing, because Ariella holds sessions on the Done For You services, so you'll learn a lot more about it with her as well. So just click there for more information, okay? But if you have any follow-up questions or anything like that, based on my experience, I'm happy to help. So just leave a comment and I will be sure to respond, okay? And in addition to that, if you're going to do that, you might as well subscribe, because I will be leaving valuable videos going forward. So I hope you enjoyed the review. I hope it was helpful. Thank you. Peace.